Hi guys! Another day of life after quitting my 9 to 5 job. Hindi pa rin nagsising in minsan na dati sa office ang pinupuntahan ko. Ngayon, sariling cafe na. Pagdating ko sa coffee shop, bukas na agad because as always, my mom got here first. Isa siya sa mga biggest reason bakit namubuo namin itong pangarap every single day. Today, may mini project, fixing our router cabinet and setting up our guest Wi-Fi vouchers. And yes, finally, our free Wi-Fi is back inside the cafe. And while working, I want to answer this one question I always get. Sabi na isa nating followers, ano pong expectation sa pagtatayo ng coffee shop? Honestly, most people think cafe business is all about making coffee and aesthetic vibes, but behind every cup are early mornings, problem solving, unexpected expenses, and long hours. Hindi siya madaling business, but it's fulfilling because you're not just building a shop. You're building experiences, relationship, and a community. So if you're planning to start your own business someday, don't wait until everything's perfect. Start small, learn as you go, and trust God through the process. Yun lang. Kita-kits ulit next vlog. Thank you guys.